How to use trading fee rebate voucher on Binance. Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the trading fee rebate voucher on Binance. So let's get started. First of all, you'll need to open your Binance application. Make sure you're logged in to your account and then click on the Binance logo at the top left over here. So it's just a yellow logo with a diamond type of design, and just click on that. Then you have to scroll down and click on more services under the section of recommend. And then instead of going and trying to find the service, you can just go here and search for service in order for quick access. So just search for rewards hub and this would pop up. So just click on rewards hub. And shortly after that, you'll be redirected to this interface. And now here, you need to complete some tasks in order to earn the rewards. But right now, there are no tasks for me. You can even view your past tasks by clicking on view past tasks. If Binance has allowed some tasks right now, all of them will be displayed here. And tasks are pretty simple, like entity verification and other stuff like that. So that's pretty simple. And after completing those tasks, you will get the rewards. So after you get the rewards, you'll get the vouchers. So now I'll tell you how you can use the vouchers. Now over here under the vouchers section, you'll be able to see my vouchers option. You just have to click on it. And once you click on that, you'll be redirected to another interface over here. So now you can see that I don't have any vouchers right now. Like you can see that it was written 0 over there. But if you do have vouchers and if you have completed the tasks, then over here the vouchers would be displayed. So you can just select the voucher. For example, if you wish to select the trading fee rebate voucher, so you can just click on the trading fee rebate voucher, and after that there will be a yellow button where it will be written use voucher or use or something like that. So you can just click on that button. Once you click on that button, and this is not only for the trading fee rebate voucher, you can use this technique for all of the vouchers, whichever you want. So once you click on use voucher, you have to go back, click on this back arrow, and then again go back, click cancel, go back, and here you have reached your home. And now after reaching home, you can click on this trade option at the bottom, and over here now you can buy, sell or trade your currency or cryptocurrency, and when you trade that or use that or sell or purchase anything, the voucher would automatically be added. Like you don't have to do any other steps after that. You can just purchase or sell anything, and that voucher would already just keep on adding on all of the purchases or selling, whichever you do. So that's it. That was how you can use the trading fee rebate voucher or any other voucher on Binance. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.